Today we have a Toyota GR Corolla. Now, back in 2020, Toyota shocked the world by revealing the GR Yaris, a subcompact hatch with a 268 horsepower engine, all-wheel drive, and what's most important in this day and age, a 6-speed manual transmission. Enthusiasts all over the world started raging about it, and those in the United States were wondering, are we wanna get one here? The answer was no, but instead we got a hardcore variant of a Corolla, the GR Corolla. Let's briefly cover the technical specifications of the most hardcore Rolla ever. The car is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder producing 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. The output hits peak torque between 3000 and 5500 RPM, with max horsepower coming at 6500 revolutions. The triple exhaust that you see in the back of the GR was designed to reduce back pressure for maximum power delivery. The engine is paired to an all-wheel drive system which gives you a choice of 60/40, 50/50 or 30/70 power distribution to the front and rear wheels. Open diffs are standard, but LSD is available. A 6-speed manual transmission is the only one choice, as it should. The GR, just like the regular Corolla, is based on Toyota's GAC platform, but the chassis was enhanced to provide better performance and handling with redesigned McPherson struts in the front and double wishbone setup in the back. Now, before we talk how it all works together, let's jump inside and talk about the interior space. The interior of the GR Corolla is pretty Spartan, and you get a lot of hard-touch materials which are well put together, but rivals such as the Civic Type R or the Golf R do it better, and that doesn't only apply to the quality but also storage and overall cabin space. The backseat will not blow your mind. There isn't much space in door pockets, and there is no center armrest, which, in my opinion, is a misunderstanding. The trunk isn't mind-blowing either, but the backseat folds down if you want to carry longer items. On the bright side though, the seats are surprisingly comfortable and offer decent support. Being 6'1", I felt good and had no issues finding a proper seating position. Now, that was just a brief overview of the interior. I know you really want to find out what it's like to drive the GR, so let's get it on the road and see how it drives. Now that we are behind the wheel of the GR Corolla, let's split driving impressions into everyday use and more spirited driving. On a daily basis, the GR is a pretty good commuter car. The visibility up front is great, the suspension, while being stiff, is not stiff to the point where you're gonna hate your life, the clutch is easy to operate, and you get a great set of driver assistance features, including things like an adaptive cruise control with lane tracing or blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Now, unlike most Toyota products that are simply soulless, the GR has a very mechanical and analog feel to it, making you feel connected to the car and giving you plenty of fun. The boost takes some time to build up, but once it hits, the power gets delivered in a nice manner. Now, here's one thing to point out. The GR will not blow your mind with straight line speed. What will impress you though is what feels like endless amount of grip. The all-wheel drive system has 3 different modes, 60/40, 30/70 and 50/50, and to be honest, in dry conditions I didn't notice much difference between them. Even the most rear bias setting with traction and stability control off didn't make the Corolla tail happy. Having said that, the Japanese hot hatch is plenty fun. The steering is good and communicative, giving you a good idea of what's going on with the front axle. Body control is great and the brakes inspire confidence. I didn't experience any problems during aggressive driving, and as an overall package, you will love driving the GR. So that was the all-new Toyota GR Corolla. Now, with everything we covered, let's jump to the conclusion. The GR Corolla is the least refined hot hatch on the market, and no, it doesn't feel 300 horsepower quick, but the straight line speed isn't what this car is about. It's about cornering with what feels like endless amount of grip, and overall, the GR Corolla is a great all-around car. Pricing starts at $35,900, but with today's market, good luck finding one for 36 grand. My tester being the base, core model with cold weather package, performance and technology packages added, was priced at $40,159. If you have any questions about the GR Corolla, feel free to drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you later.